Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make potato Mitarashi Dango. Mitarashi Dango is a traditional Japanese rice dumplings on a skewer with sweet soy sauce glaze. I know many people love it. You can make it with potato. It's really good. I hope you like this idea and I hope you can try it out.
Here are the ingredients. Wash and peel potatoes. Cut into bite-sized pieces. Put in a microwavable bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of water. And microwave on medium for about 5 minutes. You want to microwave until they are cooked. Mash the potatoes with a fork. Add 2 tablespoons of Katakuriko potato starch or corn starch is okay. If you have, use a scale to divide portions equally. Roll into small balls. It's a fun part, kids can help. Bring a large pot of water to a boil. Gently drop the dango in the boiling water. After a few minutes, dango will float to the surface. Remove from the boiling water and transfer into cold water. Put 3 dango on bamboo skewers. Now to make Mitarashi sauce, sweet soy sauce glaze. Put 3 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of Katakuriko potato starch or corn starch is okay. Put on low heat, stir constantly, and cook until the sauce thickens. Drizzle with Mitarashi sauce, sweet soy sauce glaze to finish. And now it's done! Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
Mitarashi.